Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I love mashed potatoes and I love ground beef, so I decided to put these together. These meaty stuffed mashed potatoes with a combination of corn and spices. Incredible. You're going to love these, so let me walk you through it. I'm going to begin by boiling up 3 potatoes, and they're fairly large, until they're fork tender. I'm using white potatoes, but you can use the potatoes of your choice. While we're boiling the potatoes, I'm going to fry up half a kilo of lean ground beef until it's nicely browned. So for the spices, I'm going to add in a red bell pepper that I've chopped up, an onion that I've chopped up, 3 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, some oregano, and some diced tomatoes. Then we're going to add in our spices. Half a cup of corn. Fry this just until they're fragrant. When the potatoes are fork tender, I'm just going to drain them and season them up with some salt and pepper and smash them up or mash them up. Then I'm going to take my ice cream scooper, and this is a fairly large one, and put 2 scoops into the palm of my hand, shape them into a ball, place it on a sheet of saran wrap, lay another layer of saran wrap over the top, and flatten this out until you kind of get a 4x4 circle. Scoop up a couple of tablespoons of the mixture and place it into the center. Gather all the edges up and shape it into a ball. And you want something like this, so I'm just going to go ahead and set these aside on a plate. So what I've got here, I've cracked up 3 eggs, and I'm just going to go ahead and beat these up. Add in a couple of tablespoons of flour and mix it up until it's well combined. Place our stuffed balls in and roll them around until they're really well coated. Okay, what I've got here is a pan of oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius, and I'm just going to place the balls in and roll them around for a few minutes until they're beautifully golden brown. Now once they're beautifully golden brown, I'm going to plate them up and garnish with some parsley. And there you have it, guys, our meaty stuffed mashed potatoes. Incredibly delicious. So let's cut these open and see what we have here. And look at this. They look absolutely delicious and gorgeous. So let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is just incredible. Just love it. I could eat this all day. You gotta make this. So for the whole scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.